Hi guys, welcome back. It's Sensei JP here. So today we're doing something different. As you can see, I'm not in my karate clothes. We're going to go through how to fold your karate gi and to store it. So this is after you've trained, you've washed your gi, and now you need to fold it up and put it away. So we've got a normal gi here. You're going to start by putting your pants to the side and take the top, open it nice and wide, okay, and put it diagonal next to you. Okay, what's most important here is to get everything nice and straight. There must be no folds in your gi, nice and straight. Right. Okay, after that you're going to take your pants, open it up, okay, fold it in half. So from there, fold it in half. Okay, if you've got a traditional gi like mine, take the ropes and put it to the side and put it into the middle. Okay, normally there's a bit of gi outside, so take it in, just fold it, that is nice and straight. Okay, from there you're going to take the one side of your shirt or your jacket and fold it over. Good. Always making sure it's nice and straight. Okay, now take the sleeve and just fold it back in line with the rest of the shirt or the jacket. Okay, from there you take the next sleeve, fold it back to you, towards you. Good. Take the rest of the sleeve, fold it to the middle. Okay, see now the edges are nice and straight. Normally there's a nice bit of the part of the gi pants left. Now you take that part and fold it into the top. Good. Okay. So now everything is nice and straight. Now I can fold it, start folding it up. So you take this half and you fold exactly that half in. Always making sure it's nice and straight. Good. Now this part should be equal to this one. You fold it in. Okay, and the last bit, just pick it up. Good. Now as you can see, everything is nice and straight, nice and clean, nice and tidy, fold up. From there you can put it into your cupboard, put it in a sleeve and then in your cupboard. Okay, once you want to train, take it out, don't need to iron it at all, just take it out, put it on and go train. Right guys, this is how you fold your gi, so try and do that. This ensures your karate gi that's nice and safe and that stays long like this. Okay, right guys, thank you for watching, see you guys next week.